Today we are answering an important question. Are VPNs actually worth it? Or are they just another scam? In today's digital age, the debate around virtual private networks, or VPNs, is louder than ever. Are they essential tools for maintaining privacy and security online, or just digital snake oil? Here's an honest look at VPNs in 2024, exploring whether some are truly worth your trust and investment. And make sure to stick around to see which VPNs, if any, we recommend so that you can also save some money. Understanding VPNs. The good, the bad, and the ugly. VPNs were designed to create secure connections over the internet, primarily for corporate environments. However, their use has extended far beyond that, with many individuals relying on them for privacy, security, and accessing geo-restricted content. But as with any technology, there's more to VPNs than meets the eye. The promise of VPNs. At their best, reputable VPNs offer a crucial layer of security, especially when you're using public Wi-Fi networks or accessing sensitive information. They encrypt your data, making it difficult for hackers or even your internet service provider to see your online activities. This is particularly important in an era where ISPs in some countries can legally sell your browsing data to advertisers. The perils of free VPNs. It's essential to be wary of free VPN services. These often make enticing promises but come at a hidden cost: your data. Many free VPNs have been caught logging user activity, selling data to third parties, or worse, turning users into unwitting nodes in a botnet. Remember, if you're not paying for the product, you likely are the product. Privacy myths and realities. Not all that glitters is gold. Even some paid VPNs fail to deliver on their no-logs promises, as highlighted by scandals where VPNs provided user data to authorities. Furthermore, most of your web traffic nowadays is encrypted by HTTPS, meaning that many of the privacy fears VPNs claim to combat are already well addressed by existing web protocols. So when are VPNs worth it? Despite the criticisms, VPNs can be valuable tools in specific scenarios. Enhanced privacy. If you're in a country with restrictive internet policies, or you're concerned about ISPs selling your data, a high-quality VPN can provide an essential privacy shield. Security on public networks. On unsecured public Wi-Fi, using a VPN is a smart choice. It encrypts your data, protecting you from potential snoopers on the same network. Accessing geo-restricted content. Whether it's accessing a broader range of streaming services or websites that are blocked in your country, VPNs can provide you with access to the internet without borders. Additional benefits of VPNs. Bypassing censorship. In some countries, internet censorship is a significant issue. VPNs can help users bypass government-imposed restrictions and access information freely. This is particularly crucial for journalists, activists, and researchers working in or reporting on such regions. Avoiding bandwidth throttling. Some ISPs throttle bandwidth for certain activities like streaming or torrenting. A VPN can mask these activities, preventing throttling and ensuring that you get the speed you're paying for. Secure remote work. With the rise of remote work, ensuring secure connections to company resources is vital. VPNs provide a secure way for employees to access company networks and files, safeguarding sensitive business information. Choosing the right VPN. Choosing a trustworthy VPN is crucial. Here are a few tips to find one that's worth your time and money. Look for independent audits. Reputable VPNs often undergo third-party audits to verify their security and privacy claims. These audits help ensure that the VPN truly keeps no logs of your activities. Jurisdiction matters. Consider where a VPN is registered. Locations like Panama and the British Virgin Islands have favorable privacy laws and are not required to retain data. Read user reviews and policies. User reviews can provide insights into the reliability and honesty of a VPN provider. Also, thoroughly read their privacy policy to understand what data, if any, they log. Evaluating VPN features. When assessing different VPN services, consider the following features to determine their value and reliability. Encryption standards. Strong encryption is the cornerstone of any VPN. Looking for VPNs using AES 256 encryption, the current industry standard. Speed and performance. A VPN should not significantly slow down your internet connection. Check for VPNs known for minimal speed loss and reliable performance. Server locations. A broad network of servers in various countries offers better performance and more options for accessing geo-restricted content. Kill switch. This feature ensures that your internet connection is cut off off if the VPN connection drops, preventing data leaks. Multi-device support. Ensure that the VPN supports multiple devices and platforms, including Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and even routers. Our recommendations for VPNs in 2024. In the evolving landscape of digital privacy and security, selecting a robust VPN service is more crucial than ever. Here are 3 leading VPN providers for 2024, each offering distinct advantages and exclusive discounts to secure your online activities effectively. First up is NordVPN, a blend of speed and security. NordVPN is distinguished for its strong security features and fast connection speeds, making it a super choice for both personal and professional needs. Here's what makes NordVPN a top pick. Advanced security. NordVPN incorporates leading-edge encryption and upholds a strict no-logs policy, safeguarding your data rigorously. Its automatic kill switch feature ensures that your internet disconnects if your VPN connection drops unexpectedly, preventing any data leaks. Ease of use. Compatible with Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, NordVPN offers an intuitive interface that makes server switching effortless. Enjoy specialized servers for enhanced privacy and performance features like double VPN and peer-to-peer sharing. Reliable performance. Experience minimal speed drops thanks to NordVPN's reliable high-speed servers, ideal for streaming, gaming, and downloading large files. Extra security features. With capabilities like dark web monitoring and MeshNet, NordVPN alerts you to potential threats and enables secure device-to-device connections over the internet. Affordable plans. NordVPN's pricing is competitive with 2-year plans costing only $339 per month, and every plan includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, letting you test the service risk-free. Special offer. Unlock secure and swift internet access with NordVPN's exclusive discount. Use the link down in the description to get access to this discount. When you click on the link for NordVPN down in the video description, it'll bring you to this page here. And if you click on Get the Deal, you'll be able to secure 4 extra months free. Just choose whichever plan suits your needs best and head to the checkout. Here, you'll see that you'll get those 4 extra months added to your order. Be sure to use the link down in the description to secure this deal. Next up, ExpressVPN. Unmatched performance and accessibility. ExpressVPN shines with its exceptional performance and extensive server network, suited for those requiring fast and accessible internet connections. Here's why it's a top choice. Global server access. With servers in over 100 countries, ExpressVPN guarantees a reliable and quick connection anywhere. This is perfect for frequent travelers or those in regions with restricted content. Top-level security. ExpressVPN employs AES 256 encryption, the gold standard in security, protecting your data from unauthorized access. User-friendly setup. The setup process is straightforward across all devices, and the user interface is simple to navigate, making it suitable for VPN beginners. Optimized for media. Whether streaming movies or engaging in peer-to-peer file sharing, ExpressVPN maintains impressive speeds with minimal buffering. Robust privacy safeguards. With a strict no-logging policy and additional features like DNS leak protection, your online presence is secure against vulnerabilities. Exclusive deal. Use our special link down in the description to get 3 months extra for free with a 12-month subscription to ExpressVPN. All you need to do to claim the deal is click the link down in the description for ExpressVPN, which will bring you to this page here. From here, just click on ExpressVPN and you'll see under the 12-month plan, you'll get 3 months free. Just go ahead and check out, and again, you'll see that you'll get those 3 months free once you fill out this information. And lastly, Surfshark, comprehensive protection for all your devices. Surfshark has quickly become a top VPN choice, known for its impressive mix of security, performance, and user-centric features. Here's why Surfshark could be your ideal VPN in 2024. Unlimited device support. Surfshark stands out with its ability to cover unlimited devices under one subscription, from your smartphones to your gaming consoles. Cutting-edge security. It offers clean web to block ads and malware, uses AES 256 GCM encryption, and supports the latest secure protocols, including WireGuard. Innovative technology. Surfshark's Nexus technology links all its servers into a unified network, boosting your online security and stability. Features like camouflage mode make your VPN use undetectable even to your ISP. Guaranteed privacy. Adhering to a stringent no logs policy, Surfshark ensures your online activities remain private and untracked. Broad server network. With RAM-only servers across 100 countries, you enjoy fast and stable connections globally. Special pricing offer. Take advantage of the exclusive deal with Surfshark. Get 3 extra months for free when you sign up for a 12 or 24-month plan today. To secure that deal, just go down to the Surfshark link down in the description, which will bring you to this page here. And if you go ahead and select Get Surfshark, that'll bring you to this page, and you can see that you can get it for as little as $2.19 per month. Along with that, 3 extra months. This is good for the 24-month plan or the 12-month plan. Just select a plan that works best for you, and that'll bring you here to the checkout page where you can go ahead and get started. And you'll also see here you get the 3 extra months. These VPNs not only enhance your online security, but also offer comprehensive benefits to enrich your digital life in 2024. Whether you prioritize privacy, speed, or usability, these services provide top-tier solutions to meet your needs. So VPNs are not a one-size-fits-all solution to internet privacy and security. While they can provide significant benefits, they are not a magic bullet. It's vital to approach VPNs with a healthy dose of skepticism and to use them as part of a broader security strategy. For those who choose carefully, certain VPNs can indeed be worth considering in 2024 and beyond. Supplementing your VPN. Best practices for online security. Regular software updates. Ensure all your devices and software are up to date to protect against the latest vulnerabilities. Strong, unique passwords. Use a password manager to create and store strong, unique passwords for each of your online accounts. Enable two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security to your accounts by enabling two-factor authentication wherever possible. Be wary of phishing attacks. Always verify the source of emails and messages before clicking on links or downloading attachments. Use secure connections. Whenever possible, connect to websites using HTTPS to ensure that your data is encrypted during transmission. If you're ready to enhance your browsing experience with any of these VPNs we talked about today, be sure to check out the links in the video description. Using these links support our channel, allowing us to continue creating free, informative videos just like this one, as well as giving you a discount. So thank you in advance for your support. We hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content on VPN, cybersecurity, comparison videos, and tutorials to help keep you safe online. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you here in the next video.